In front of me is OUKITEL K13 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage all vibration options on this device. Start by going into settings and choosing sound. Now tap on the switcher next to also vibrate full calls to enable all disable vibrations for your incoming calls. After that, tap on shortcut to prevent ringing, click on press power and volume up together, and click on vibrate over here. Then you need to go back and scroll all the way down. Now click on advanced, scroll down again and tap on this switcher next to touch vibrations to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!